And we're off to Porto. We all got stopped. Anyway, we're through. This will be our room tour before we mess it up. We've got Sarah here to give us our room tour.
Hello.
Hello, Sarah. Right, take us around.
Right, so we've just got here, and this is a nice toilet and sink area where I can do my makeup in the morning. So this is mine. And then we have a big kitchen with a big fridge and a freezer. Look at that. And just cupboards. This is a new apartment because you can just smell the newness when we came in. So we've got everything here. We've not really had a proper look yet, but oh look, look at all them nice cups. Glasses, yeah, a nice table. This is cute, and lovely big telly and sofa and chair. You can smell the newness, can't you, Chris?
Yeah.
And then we've got shower, big shower, and there's loads of toiletries here. They're nice. And toilet round there. What's that? I don't know what that is. And then one bedroom with a double bed. Or king bed, I don't know what it is. Door out there or something. Quite hard that way. Andrew, it'd be alright for me. Another aircon. And then we have, so the bathroom's in between, and then we've got another room, aircon again. And this looks out onto our patio. You can get out here. That's our little patio area. Not sure if we get any sun. There's somewhere to sit out, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So, and there's all the wardrobes, I think. Just trip over the rug. Oh look. Oh, there's the seats for the seats, and oh look. Oh my god, what's this for? I don't know what all that's for. Drawers. They're cushions for something. Or is it a puffy? I think that's a puffy. Hangers. More space. So you can smell the newness. This is new. So thank God it's good. Or be mindful if it wasn't.
What's the name of the apartment, Sarah?
It's so there you go. It's the living apartments. So I think there's loads of them. And different people own them, so we're just lucky that this is a new one that's been done. I'm not sure they're all like this though. Don't know how we get out.
I'll figure out that later.
There you go. We just sweep them. Oh, whatever. Oh, it's nice and cool out here.
Oh, that's what they're for, them cushions.
Oh right, yeah. What a lovely place just to sit out and have a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Loving it. Is that water there?
Somebody up there as well.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be somebody else's, wouldn't it, I think?
We've got the lower deck.
we've got the lower deck. It's nice though.
Flowers there.
Lovely big telly, aircon everywhere, and that's one. It's 3 aircon things we've seen up to now. One in each bedroom and that one. I found the control for it actually. There you go. Oh, so happy it's all right. It's gorgeous. We have to put the lights on, it's a bit dull at the moment. Look at this trendy, everything's trendy and new and smell the newness, lovely.
Sarah's found the washing machine.
Yay! I don't think it's a dryer. No, it's just a washing machine, and there's placemats and stuff. Oh, lights come on with you. Oh no, it's last time. So look, washing machine. Never heard of that made before. Probably no one's used it much. That's okay, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, there's a dishwasher as well. Where's the dishwasher? Oh, there's the dishwasher.
Yeah, that's brand new as well.
Yeah.
An oven.
I think we've just fell on our feet with this one. That's just all.
Oh, cutlery.
Yeah.
Knife, fork, pans
Yeah.
and stuff.
And there's lots of stuff here for the wash up. And there's just more stuff there. Oh, actually, what's left here? I brought some dishwasher tablets with me anyway, just in case we use some mugs.
Yeah.
And that's all we will be doing. Not cooking anything. Look around the lovely. Look at all the plates and that. Look at them, Chris. I love these. They're something like what we had at that camping place. Love it. Microwave. Is it microwave? Oh, don't know you open it. You just press it. Oh well, you know like that.
How do you open these things?
There must be a button.
It's just seen us trying to get in this place. Bloody hell.
Porto. Oh, yay.